Let me take my hair down. I don't want to look bald. What do we do first?
We need sugar.
Sugar.
Oh, I smelled your hair. It was like, what? Okay. Sugar.
How many cups do we need?
3/4 of a cup. No.
This is how you get fat. You put too much sugar in.
Shh. I don't know what you're talking about. Your hair looks so gorgeous right now. I'm not even kidding you. Like, it looks luscious. Like, you could have your own shampoo commercials.
Oh, thank you.
I
think
we need to raise ourselves up a little.
What do we need?
Salt.
It's all salt come from the sea.
Like, lick it?
Like, you could sleep over one night, and then we could, like, sit out in the driveway and wait for the salt truck to go by.
We need cinnamon. Oh, wow. What a neat little drawer.
Can I stir this, Melissa?
If you truly desire to.
Bye, cinnamon. Look at the mist, the cinnamon mist coming off of it. I could use that in a music video. What is that, Melissa? It looks like pumpkin pie already. It smells like Lori's natural food.
You smell this stuff. It smells like Christmas.
Oh my god, it does. We can create our own little Christmas town right in here tonight.
Those nutmeg balls. Actually, they're ginger balls, not nutmeg balls.
I have ginger balls. You can have nutmeg balls. Okay. Then we can make pumpkin pie together. What are you doing now, Melissa?
I'm mixing this up since you fell.
I already mixed it.
Yeah, but you missed that.
No. Oh, my phone! Melissa has friends.
Okay. Add those eggs. Put those eggs in.
What eggs? I can't crack eggs, Melissa. Here, let me use a whisk.
No, don't use you can't use a whisk.
Why?
Because whisks will make it too fluffy.
Let's make a whisk dance. Come here. Do you want to be in front or in the back?
I'll be in back so my lard ass will just stick out from behind yours.
Okay. Let's try that again.
Okay. 1, 2.
Melissa, you're not supposed to poop inside a bowl. Melissa,
What?
how long has this been going on for?
What?
You might want to get that checked by a doctor. Ew. Oh my god, that's gross.
Smell it.
Ew.
That's what it smells like.
It looks like what you puked up today. So this is Melissa's feces. I'm just checking it to make sure that she's not sick. Wait, don't put it in yet.
Yeah, I know.
I haven't finished doing the tests yet.
Put it all up. Get around the edges. Come on,
Okay.
go wild.
You're the one who's sick here, obviously.
At least I'm sick and know how to cook. I just got shit all over my shirt. Look at that.
Okay, I think we're done.
Alright, no, you have to stir.
Okay. Because we're the parents of this pie. Melissa, look what we made together.
You're still making it, Chelsea.
Stir faster! Why?
Because it doesn't have the same effect if you stir slowly.
Patience is a virtue. Ew! Our baby's talking to us. What should we name it? You look so funny. That probably is how you pronounce your name. Melissa.
Probably.
Because, like, the way I pronounce it, when most people say it, it's Melissa.
Yeah.
Like M-A-H. She's really Melissa. Melissa. Would you mind? Melissa.
The damnedest things happen on this cooking show.
Ready?
Whoa.
Are we ready?
We're pouring this in.
Can I do the rest?
Yep. Be careful to make it like not overflow. Stop itching your nose. You're gonna get your boogers in it. We'll have boogery pumpkin pie. Here. Get your tongue off of it.
Ow, that's hot.
Just come out of the oven, Mom.
Are you okay?
Wait,
Put the
tart.
tart in too.
Tart.
Get the tart. Get the
I know.
tart. Keep the heat in the oven. Melissa, our pie is done. You burned it.